Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownie dessert. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs. Also, prepare 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Finally, grab 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and about 1 cup of chocolate chips for that extra deliciousness. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a microwave-safe bowl or saucepan, melt your 1 stick of unsalted butter. Stir in the 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's fully combined. Next, whisk in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is incorporated before adding the next. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold in the 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and the 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder until just combined. Don't overmix. With your delicious batter ready, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease an 8x8-inch baking pan thoroughly to prevent sticking. Pour the brownie batter evenly into the prepared pan, spreading it to the corners. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Avoid overbaking for that perfect fudgy texture. The hardest part is waiting, but it's essential. Once baked, let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This cooling period is crucial for achieving that perfect fudgy texture and allows for clean, neat cuts. Rushing this step can result in crumbly brownies. Once cooled, slice them into squares. Serve your delightful brownies plain with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a light dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.